Hello students, today we are going to start book number 8 with the first chapter KTurtle. KTurtle is a computer language. It is used for programming. Figures can be drawn, text can be written and simple mathematical calculations can be performed using KTurtle. The KTurtle screen. So this is the screen of KTurtle where these are the important parts: editor pane, canvas, inspector pane, menu bar, toolbar and status bar. Editor pane. It is present on the left side of the screen. The commands that we have to give are typed in this area. Next, canvas, the main area in the middle of the screen where the actual drawing is made by moving the turtle. Inspector pane. This pane is present on the right side of the screen. It gives you information when the command is carried out. Menu bar. This bar contains all the commands of the software in the form of menus. For example, edit, file, canvas, run. Next, toolbar. The toolbar contains a few buttons for quick actions like open, save, run, etc. It also consists of the console text box in which one line command can be entered. And the last one is status bar. Present at the bottom of the screen, it shows the status of KTurtle. It shows the last action performed on the left side. On the right side, it shows the current location of the cursor, line and current language which is being used for the commands. Next, the KTurtle commands. The first one is FW command. FW command means forward command, which is used for moving the turtle in a forward direction. Next one is TR command. TR command means turtle right command, which is used for turning the turtle's head to the right direction. Next is BW command, which is backward command, which is used for moving the turtle in the backward direction. Next one is TL command, which is turtle left. That means to move the turtle's head to the left side, the TL command is used. And the last one is new command, which is used for creating a new file. And to create a new file, we have to click on the new button on the toolbar and the new file appears. Now the next chapter is a peep into Windows 10. You must be familiar with the interface of Windows 7. By now, it is simple and easy to use. Let us now learn a little about the new version of Windows, that is Windows 10. In Windows 10, the start menu is very different as compared to Windows 7. Windows 10 has live tiles on the desktop. These tiles can be removed as per requirement. So as we all know that Windows is an operating system. Earlier we were using Windows 7 and then came the updated version which is Windows 10, and in this chapter we will learn about some basic things about Windows 10, and they are saying that in Windows 10 the start menu is very different as compared to Windows 7. And Windows 10 has some live tiles on the desktop like this. The desktop. Windows 7 has a desktop with normal icons like its previous versions, whereas the icons in Windows 10 are arranged in the tile format. The task manager is also updated so it is easier to use now. The Windows Explorer has been renamed as the File Explorer. It has a ribbon that offers many new features. As I said that in Windows 7 the desktop icons were normal, but in Windows 10 they are arranged in the tile format. And the Windows Explorer has been renamed as the File Explorer. So the old name was Windows Explorer and the new name is File Explorer in Windows 10. Next, search option. In Windows 10, the search bar not only looks for folders, apps and files on your computer, but it is also linked to the Windows Store and your browser, so it can search on the internet right from your desktop. Other interesting features of Windows 10: Cortana, the intelligent personal assistant, shows up in the Windows 10. This is represented by Cortana Ask Me Anything box on the taskbar. It omits in popular destinations like the control panel, which Windows 7 included by default. The Windows 10 version gives priority to the Metro apps, which means touchscreen friendly apps, and they can be removed. Next, Windows 10 also puts a task view icon on the taskbar.